Hello friends, welcome you all in my YouTube channel. Dr. DM Sirsat here from Department of Chemistry, Anandibai Raurane Arts, Commerce and Science College, Vaibhavadi. Friends, today we are deal with the very interesting and famous name reaction is a Navengel condensation reaction. In this lecture, we are going to discuss Navengel condensation reaction, its mechanism and shortly applications of this reaction. Let's see one by one. Number first, the introductory part of Navengel condensation reaction. Friends, Navengel condensation is a modification of aldol condensation reaction. Then what is mean by aldol condensation reaction? Just simply self condensation of two aldehyde molecule in presence of base, it gives beta hydroxyaldehyde, means aldol is called as aldol condensation reaction. And in case of Navengel condensation reaction, there is a condensation between aldehyde without alpha hydrogen atom in presence of active methylene compound. It gives alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound or acid or any other derivative is called as Navengel condensation reaction. See the basic difference between aldol and Navengel condensation reaction. In aldol, there is aldehyde molecule with alpha hydrogen atom, but in case of Navengel condensation reaction, there is a aromatic aldehyde molecule or any aldehyde molecule without alpha hydrogen atom. In case of aldol condensation reaction, there is a self condensation between two aldehyde molecule, but in case of Navengel condensation reaction, the condensation between aldehyde and active methylene compound. These are the basic difference between these two, aldol condensation reaction and Navengel condensation reaction. That's why this Navengel reaction is called as, it is modification of aldol condensation reaction. What is aldol condensation? It is a simple nucleophilic addition of an active hydrogen compound to a carbonyl group of aldehyde or ketone which does not have alpha hydrogen, followed by dehydration reaction in which a molecule of water is eliminated, means there is a condensation, and the product is often an alpha beta conjugated molecule is called as Navengel condensation reaction. Simply, it is a reaction between aldehyde molecule without alpha hydrogen atom in presence of active methylene compound like malonic acid, malonic ester, diethyl malonate, ethyl acetoacetate, nitromethane. These are the active methylene compounds in presence of strong base pyridine or any other secondary amine. It gives alpha beta unsaturated derivative is called as Navengel condensation reaction. And this reaction is catalyzed by base molecules and especially is catalyzed by secondary amines. Next one, active methylene compound. Friends, what is meant by active methylene compound? See these 5 examples. Number first, malonic ester, ethyl acetoacetate, pentane 2,4-dione, malonic acid as well as nitromethane. These are the examples, best examples of active methylene compound. Then what is meant by active methylene compound? See this methylene group, CS2 group, CS2 group, CS2 group, CS2 group. This methylene group is directly bonded to electron withdrawing group. In first example, CS2 is directly bonded to carbonyl carbon, again carbonyl carbon. See the polarization of carbonyl group, C double bond O. Oxygen is more electronegative, it gains partial negative charge, and carbon it gains partial positive charge. As well as hybridization of this double bonded carbon is sp2 hybridized, and sp2 hybridized carbon is more electronegative than sp3, means this carbonyl carbon, sp2 hybridized carbon withdraw electron from this methylene carbon. At the same time, this methylene carbon withdraw electron from this hydrogen, means these two hydrogens, it becomes acidic, it becomes active. That's why these compounds are called as active methylene compound, and these are the best examples of active methylene compound. Next one, what is actual Navengel condensation? It is a simple condensation of aromatic aldehyde or any aldehyde molecule without alpha hydrogen atom in presence of active methylene compound and strong base. It gives finally alpha beta unsaturated derivative is called as Navengel condensation reaction. See the general reaction, it is a aldehyde molecule, is a general aldehyde molecule. These are the general active methylene compound. E is the electron withdrawing group, is aldehydic group, COR group, COOH group, either CN group or NO2 group. These are the electron withdrawing group. If this electron withdrawing group is directly bonded to the CS2, then it becomes active. That's why it's called as active methylene compound. In the presence of base is a pyridine, piperidine or any other secondary amine, it gives alpha beta unsaturated derivative. These are the general Nonangel condensation reaction. See the number first example, condensation between benzaldehyde molecule and malonic acid. See the condensation of this benzaldehyde and malonic acid in presence of pyridine, strong base, it gives finally alpha beta unsaturated derivative. Under strong heating condition, decarboxylation, it gives finally alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acid, means cinnamic acid. It is a number first example, means it is an example of condensation between benzaldehyde and malonic acid, it gives finally cinnamic acid. Okay. Then mechanism of this reaction, the first is abstraction of proton by base from active methylene compound gives carbanion. See, this CS2 is directly bonded to this 2 electron withdrawing group, that means this hydrogen it becomes acidic. In the presence of strong base pyridine, electron pair of this nitrogen attack to hydrogen, means there is a proton abstraction. At the same time, the electron bond between this carbon and hydrogen, this sigma electron shifted towards the carbon, then carbon it gains negative charge, is called as carbanion intermediate. And this carbanion is more stable because there is a space for delocalization, negative charges participate in delocalization, then oxygen it gains negative charge, again reverse delocalization, it gives first, means there is a continuous resonance, and due to this resonance this carbanion is more stable. Number second step is addition of carbanion to carbonyl carbon. This carbanion molecule in presence of this benzaldehyde, see the polarization of this carbonyl group, oxygen more electronegative delta minus and carbon it gains delta plus charge. Negative charge of this carbon attack to carbonyl carbon which gains partial positive charge. At the same time, delocalization of pi electron towards the oxygen, then oxygen it gains negative charge, and there is a bond formation between this carbon and carbonyl carbon. Okay. The next one, number third step is a protonation followed by dehydration. Means simple, number first is a protonation of this oxyanion, is a O minus, which is protonation of oxyanion, O minus attack to H plus, OH O minus is converted into OH, and number next step is a dehydration, means even in presence of this strong base, again second proton abstraction, shifting of the sigma electron pair in pi bond formation, and elimination of OH in the form of OH minus, means simple elimination of water molecule, it gives finally alpha beta unsaturated derivative. And number last step is a decarboxylation, means under strong heating condition there is a elimination of CO2, it gives finally alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acid is a cinnamic acid. These are the mechanism of Nonangel condensation reaction. See, next one is applications of Nonangel condensation reaction. There is a shortly 3 applications of this Nonangel condensation reaction. Number first application, preparation of unsaturated ketones. Okay. See, the benzaldehyde molecule in presence of ethyl acetoacetate and strong base pyridine, it gives alpha beta unsaturated this derivative. Hydrolysis of this ester molecule, it gives finally carboxylic acid, and this carboxylic acid under strong heating condition there is a decarboxylation reaction, and it gives finally alpha beta unsaturated ketone, means it is a number first application is a preparation of alpha beta unsaturated ketone molecule. Number second application is a preparation of coumarin derivatives. See, is a substituted aldehyde molecule. The substituted aldehyde molecule is a alpha hydroxy benzaldehyde molecule in presence of malonic ester and strong base pyridine. See, simple, there is a condensation between this aldehyde molecule and active methylene compound, it gives alpha beta unsaturated derivative. Then number second step, the reaction between this carbonyl group CO and hydroxy group. In case of this hydroxy, oxygen with 2 electron pair, and polarization of this carbonyl is a carbonyl carbon delta plus and oxygen delta minus. Electron pair of this oxygen attack to this carbonyl carbon, then shifting of pi electron towards the oxygen, means there is a reaction between these two, is bond formation between this oxygen and carbonyl carbon, means there is a cyclization and it gives final product is a coumarin derivative. These are the number second application of Norwegian condensation reaction. And number third application is a preparation of beta nitrostyrene. It is the best polymer. Number third application is a preparation of beta nitrostyrene. See the benzaldehyde molecule in presence of nitromethane and strong base pyridine, it gives finally beta nitrostyrene. These are the three applications of Norwegian condensation reaction. Thank you very much.